What's the meaning of bone idle? Bone idle. Bone idle.
Bone idle. Bone idle. The term bone idle is often used to describe individuals who are extremely lazy or idle. The word bone in this context means completely or utterly, implying that the individual is so lazy that they have become nothing but bones. This phrase can be used to describe someone who consistently avoids work or has a habit of procrastinating. The result of being bone idle is often a lack of productivity and achievements, as well as a negative impact on personal and professional relationships. It is important for individuals to strive for a healthy balance between rest and productivity in order to avoid falling into the trap of being bone idle.